Okay, guys, finally time for the long-awaited Gseat. It is in a working state. All of the software works, the paddles work, but now I'm getting power overload on the lower paddle down there, that one, the lower right-hand side. It's basically just drawing too much power to lift my weight and squeeze me as much as I want it to. I can tone it down, but I'm probably just going to parallel the IPT2s and see how well that does. But let me show you what's going on here. Okay, so got everything set up and turned on inside of here. So we basically have heave, surge, and sway set up. So I'll go ahead and show you. Okay, I should be able to do that. Surge. I'm going to fine tune those paddles. Heave. Whoop. Sorry, trying to see two things at once is difficult. See, and then sway should be both of them. Oh, that potentiometer's off. That sucks. Are both of those side out? No, my mouse is just going too far over. So that's essentially what it would look like. That lower paddle of the potentiometer is off. I just have to come down here and let's see. Set this back to 0 and then come down here. Adjust this back down. Come on. A little bit. There we go. Yeah, okay. My connection method to the potentiometers definitely needs to be fixed. That's the next step. I'm going to learn how to do Blender. I've got that open, so I'm going to learn how to do Blender, create pulleys that I can put on the shafts of the motors and then the potentiometer shafts, and then do belts with those, because basically the way that I'm doing it now for these is I just have hot glue around the nuts, and then it's hot glued onto that tube, and then the tube slips onto the potentiometer. But it basically just slips. If it goes too quickly, it'll slip on the potentiometer down there, and then it throws off the position, and things go all kinds of wacky. And so that's still happening even on my 3-DOF downstairs. So that's my next step, is to just create better potentiometer mounts for everything. But the Gseat is working, as you can see, working-ish. I still need to fine-tune a bunch of stuff, and I might have to mess with some of the mechanical on those paddles there. The ranges might be off, but that is the latest update on the Gseat.